Hello, scholars. Happy Monday. First of all, congratulations on finishing week 1 and welcome to week 2. Today, I thought I would record a little video just to give you a couple of reminders. First of all, my English lab deadline was moved to this coming Sunday. So you have one extra week to finish week 1 and week 2 assignments in my English lab. And this is especially for students who ordered their books and still don't have the books. So you will have an additional week. Congratulations on finishing the first test. That's a big deal. Many of you did an excellent job. If you haven't, now you know what tests look like. Please make sure to put extra energy in studying. As you can see, I post a lot of exercises. A lot of those exercises come with answer keys. So please make sure you go over those exercises and those answer keys. If you don't understand anything, please join us for office hours on Wednesdays, and I'll be more than happy to clarify problems, respond to any questions you may have. When you go through a module, make sure to go page by page. Don't skip anything. Make sure you find time to watch all the videos. And again, if there's any question about the video, about what was said and shared in the video, please contact me. The best way to contact me about questions about grammar is probably Q&A Cafe, because everyone is able to see your questions, and a lot of people may benefit from the answers. If you missed any assignments during the first week, I mentioned last week that I would be a little bit more lenient during week 1 on due dates, just because it's week 1. A lot of students have never taken any online classes. This is the first time, so I'm going to honor that. So if you missed an assignment, you need to contact me. You need to email me regarding that, and we need to talk about that. There will be no extended deadlines starting this week, so please pay attention to the deadlines. Due dates are usually just twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays. So when you go through the module every Monday, make sure that you check all the deadlines to honor them and not to fall behind. And I think that's it for today. Again, happy Monday. Welcome to week 2, and enjoy. Again, if you have any questions, we'll have office hours on Wednesday from 3 to 4 p.m. And again, you can also use the Q&A Cafe. Happy Monday.